Now we're looking at the CRM client section. Clients are typically those that are leads for projects. These are people that we are going to be doing work for. The clients are automatically created whenever we do a new lead or project, which we typically name after the client. So let's say John Schmall. And we create the contact here. Put in the contact information we have about them. And we save them on. And now this person has been put into our CRM. When we go into our CRM and look at clients, we can now find John Schmall in our CRM. And he's been assigned the current client status, and his email and phone number has already been put in there for us. When we click on a record, it'll open it up, and we have a breakdown where we can see their current status. We can change this status to whatever we desire from our CRM status list. The overall CRM contact type is client. If we want to change which menus they appear in, we can click on Edit here and say that they are a referral source and a vendor, and they will appear in those separate lists. We can put in specific dates that are tied to this client. We can create an action date. Let's say that we want on the 30th to do a call. Down here we can see all of their information. We start with contact information, so we can see a phone number was added for them. We could also add addresses here. We can see any companies they may be associated with, any notes that they have against them, any touches that have been made for them, any follow-ups that have been scheduled against them, any projects that they're associated with, so we can see the project that we created, and any files that may have been uploaded in reference to this person. That full CRM record follows this person all around the system wherever you attach them. So let's go back over here to our projects. And if we go to the contacts record, we can see John Schmall right here. And we can open up that same CRM record right from here. So we can access all of that information right here. If we ever create another new project, let's say we're moving John from AL to memory care, when we go to enter his contact information, we can say from the CRM, do a search for John, and pick John Schmall, and save that contact. Now John is on here, and we can see all his information has been brought over. And if we open up his CRM record and go to projects, we'll see that he is now associated to both projects. We can also jump over to that project right from there and open that project up. That's how we can use clients. Let's move on to the next section where we'll look at referral sources.